So the markets had a weak opening, but for now they're coming off the absolute lows of the day. Tracking weak global cues, the Sensex and the Nifty opened weak with the Sensex down 100 points. But now we have come off the absolute lows of the day, though it's only been 10 minutes and today the cues aren't really supportive. But the markets are weak as we speak. The Nifty is also trading weak. The Sensex back down 100 points, the Nifty down 23 points. And the breadth of the market is not looking very healthy, though the mid caps and the small caps are performing better than the index. Majority of the profit taking is being seen in the larger index heavy names, and that is where we're seeing a lot of profit taking. You can see L&T is down 21 rupees, SBI, Adani Ports, Wipro. All of these heavyweights are losing ground. Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, Tata Power, all of them are looking weak. Amongst the gainers, you can count them on your fingertips because there are very few gainers on the index today. We have M&M up 2%, Tata Steel, GAIL and Hindalco, which are trading higher. So many of the resources or the metals names are doing well today. Aurobindo Pharma, Sun Pharma, ONGC and IOC are the other gainers of the day. Of course, for the currency, it is a slightly weaker opening, 64.37 to the dollar. The dollar has strengthened after the pound fell very sharply against it, but against a basket of 6 currencies too, the dollar has gained and our rupee is looking weak. We also want to keep a watch out on the PSU bank stocks today because the finance minister will be meeting the heads of PSU bank chiefs to discuss, of course, the NPA issue and many other topics, of course, how the banks are preparing for the implementation of GST, what are they doing when it comes to MSME credit. So a lot of this is going to be discussed today. So PSU banks remain in focus. They are trading weak with a loss of about 1% or 0.5% coming through for most of the PSU banks. That is one space that we'll track very carefully for today.